If you're looking for a hassle-free weeknight meal, then you've come to the right place. Come and make this easy vegan spaghetti with me. It is so simple and so delicious. You are absolutely going to love it. Start by dicing your onion, either using half or a quarter of an onion, depending on your preference. Now you're going to set it aside and work on the next ingredient. Grab your garlic cloves. About 3 or 4 cloves is good in this recipe. And again, you're going to chop this nice and fine. Set the garlic aside, and now we're going to chop our bell peppers. These used to be my least favorite vegetable to cut just because they were such a funny shape, but then somebody taught me this trick that you cut off the top and then use your thumb to kind of push the insides and pull them out again, and just like that, it's so much easier, and then you can dice and not worry about all the funny bits inside. Isn't that neat? I like it. Now for a protein in this recipe, I'm going to be taking some tofu, grating it and putting it either in, I'm going to be using the air fryer, but you can use the air fryer or the oven just to dry it out a little bit and get it nice and kind of chewy, crispy. Pretty soon. Yeah. So you're going to add that to your air fryer or your baking sheet and then season it here. You can do a little bit of olive oil and then garlic powder, onion powder, and then a little bit of paprika, and that's it. 10 minutes in the air fryer, 15 minutes in the oven, and then I like to get my seasoning mix kind of ready here. So this is oregano and basil, and then I'm going to add all the seasonings that I just added to the tofu, the paprika, onion, and garlic powder, and let's start to get cooking. Saute the onions for a couple minutes. Add that chopped garlic, another couple minutes, every little bit counts. And then you're going to add the tomato paste. This is my attempt at making a Mickey Mouse for my son. How did it go? And here are those prepared spices, pouring them in. And then just about half a cup of veggie stock we're going to pour in. In go the bell peppers. And then a full tin of diced or crushed tomatoes. Right before you bring it to a boil, you're just going to add a little bit more oregano and a little bit more basil. Mix it all together, bring to a boil, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes uncovered. Once that 20 minutes is up, you're either going to use your immersion blender or you can pour this all into your regular blender and blend away. Add some spinach and let that wilt. It takes about a minute, and then you can blend again if you want, or just leave it as is. For some extra protein and nutrients and a little bit of that cheesy flavor, I like to add some nutritional yeast, so you can add that here. And then here's our baked tofu, in it goes. Noodles are ready, in they go. And then you can make a vegan parm with almond flour, nutritional yeast, salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. And just like that, you've got the best high-protein, easy vegan spaghetti made in about half an hour with some very simple ingredients. This is full of flavor, and I really hope you like it. It's here to make those busy weeknights just a little bit easier. Full recipes on the blog. Okay, love you, bye!